This photograph was taken just hours before his death. A little boy mauled at the zoo, killed after falling into an exhibit. The details so very disturbing.
And now his family is filing suit tonight. Reporter Kelly Brennan is live with the never-before-heard details revealed. Kelly?
Well, there are details, photos, and eyewitness accounts, even reports of a zoo employee who claims he warned the zoo before this tragedy that something like it could happen. 6 months later, one question remains. Could Maddox Durkosh's death have been prevented? A lawsuit just filed details that tragic day when the boy's mother lifted him up so he could see the African-painted dogs. Maddox then lurched forward, landed on this net, and fell into the animal habitat. Elizabeth Durkosh tried to lunge after her son, but other zoo visitors held her back. We learned today that Maddox suffered a staggering 220 injuries to his body. The family's attorney tells WTAE zoo management was warned by an employee before the tragedy that parents would often lift their children to see through the viewing enclosure at least 10 times every day. It also alleges that zoo management curtly reprimanded this employee and told him, "This is not your concern, go back to work." The lawsuit also compares the Pittsburgh Zoo's African dog exhibit to 16 others across the country, including one in Kansas City. Featured here in 2006, it has a wooden fence and thin wires separating visitors from the animals.
This is a tragedy, and it could have easily been prevented.
We asked attorney Mark McKenna to weigh in on the lawsuit. Smart move to compile 16 other zoos with these exhibits.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's very good. I mean, they're laying out their case. That this is something that exists, it's known. Zoos have built shelters for animals to protect the public in a very safe manner. That wasn't done here.
The Pittsburgh Zoo did take steps in the recent past, though. The dogs are getting moved to other zoos, and the exhibit itself has been removed. Now, with this lawsuit, the family is seeking $50,000 or more in damages for each of the 6 claims, and the zoo is not commenting on this lawsuit.